Hazrat Abdullah bin Zama'a radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam delivered a sermon, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam then made mention of the she camel of Hazrat Saleh alayhi salam and the one who hamstringed it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam recited, translation, when the most raged of them got up, Surah Al-Shams, verse 12. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then interpreting it said, such a man got up as had a few matches in his tribe, was mischievous and powerful in his tribe, as is Abu Zama. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then mentioned the women and counseled them. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, why does any one of you lash his wife like a slave girl? Abu Qurayb's narration says, as a slave is lashed. He then practiced sexual intercourse with her during the last session of the day. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then counseled those people who laugh at farting and said, why does any one of you laughs at an act which he himself does? Sahih Muslim Hadees number 7120.